Hi YouTube. How we doing tonight? Got us a new drink to review. A Smirnoff Ice screwdriver. You probably remember, well, you probably don't remember, but I reviewed Smirnoff Ice regular classic and gave it a 10 out of 10 just because, you know, Zima. Smirnoff Ice, that's what started it all. That's what started all these freaking drinks with all different kinds of flavors and colors. And because back in the 90s, you either had beer, Smirnoff Ice, or Zima. Which one did you want to drink for the night? Or liquor, you know, whatever. But gas station down here in the south, at least, you just can't go to the store at 3 o'clock in the morning and go get you some liquor. We got a blue law down here. You can only get it from like 10 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock at night. Yeah, it sucks. So most of us got to drink gas station stuff. Like I said, back in the day, the early 90s, what did you want to drink? Did you want to drink American beer, which tastes like carbonated water with a little bit of alcohol, Smirnoff Ice, or Zima? Enough talk of the 90s, when times were good. Let's see what this thing smells like, what it tastes like, what it look like. It look like a man? Nah, it look like a Smirnoff. Oh, it does smell like orange juice. Not the real stuff, but the, that kind of smells real. That ain't too bad. Wow, that's actually pretty damn good. That's gonna get pretty high up there for anybody who likes orange juice and screwdrivers. You know, vodka, orange juice. I fucking love screwdrivers, so this one's gonna have to get a. That's a 7 out of 10, I'd say. It's pretty damn tasty. I don't know if it's real. It does taste like real orange juice, just the crappy dollar store orange juice in like a carton. Yeah, that's what it tastes like. If you want to spend a little bit more money, it would be better just to buy you a bottle of vodka and some real orange juice. But hey, for a quick gas station pickup, $2 and some change, not too bad there, Smirnoff. Not too bad at all. 7 out of 10, y'all. And peace. Y'all have a great drunken night. Be safe. And do anything I would do. Why the fuck not? I'm still alive, I think. Right? Okay.